If your goal is to find consistency within the markets, then your action steps are going to be able to have consistent risk and consistent reasoning for even entering the markets. Today, I am going to show you the 4 tools that I use on a daily basis to be able to help me do exactly that, to be able to have consistency within the markets and being able just to eliminate a lot of the noise and distractions and being able to help me just stick to my plan. So I am going to show you my exact system, exactly what I do to be able to go through, filter the trade, enter a trade. So let's go ahead. Let's let the disclaimer roll through and I see you on the other side. Welcome to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Isabella Carolina and I drop weekly content for traders like yourselves to be able to help find identity and consistency within the markets. I use this tool to be able to save me a tremendous amount of time and energy in the market as a content creator, a full-time marketer, and a coach. I do not have a whole bunch of time to just sit there at the charts, and nor should I, right? Nobody signs up to trading just so they can sit there and have a full-time job again. You need to be able to optimize this and make it fit for your schedule. So this first tool that I use helps me do just that. Instead of sitting there analyzing the charts for hours, looking for different trading opportunities, I let this thing to find me different opportunities, and then I simply take that trade and filter it, and I match it up with my trading plan to see if it meets my specific trading requirements for everything I trade. If it does, I get in. If it doesn't, I don't. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Now, Manara is a proprietary machine learning algorithm that essentially scans the market real time, looking for different trading opportunities for you. Look at this thing as if it does the homework for you. What it's doing is just scanning the markets in real time, looking for all these different trading opportunities, and it's bouncing off all these different assets. So whether you trade Forex, Manara has the major and the minor pairs. It has stocks, it has bonds, it has indices, it has commodity, metals. So what is really great about this thing named Manara, it is essentially can fit into anybody's trading plan and trading style. You can select the different patterns you want and different time frames. For example, in this moment, I use 15 minutes and 30 minutes time frames. And you can be specific on what you are looking for. You want to see complete patterns, incomplete patterns, all kind of patterns, bullish, bearish. You can select what kind of alerts you want to receive. Forex, bond, commodity, metals, bonds. It is so cool. Now let's see. If you are looking for something like this, NZD-USD, for example, this trade was called out on the 15-minute chart. I can take a look on this trade and say, hey, they called out this trade to buy. And then I jump over to my second trading tool, which is TradingView.com. And what I do, I use this tool to be able to help me essentially look for my additional confluences, right? There are many videos on how you can use this tool. You can go ahead and create yourself a free account. Now, what I do is I take my trade from Manara and I put it up on the TradingView because I get a little more flexibility on actually marking up the charts. I am able to go through and take a look at some of the more institutional levels, looking at some of those 1 hour, 4 hour charts, stuff like that. But being able to jump in, you can use TradingView as an additional tool to be able to go through and take a look at some of those additional confluences. So, like this NZD-USD trade that we had seen on Manara, I can go through here on TradingView and just take a complete breakout of this, where I was able to go through and identify, look, there is so many reasons price to be able to go up or go down and many other things. So I am able to use this as an additional tool to be able to go through and just completely filter out my Manara trade, giving me a little bit more confidence and giving me a little bit more consistent risk, right? Because then I can go through and say, hey, this thing looks good. Now I just need to take a look at the fundamentals. So now I jump over to my third tool, which is going to be forexfactory.com. Again, you can use a completely free account. You can go in, be able to access this thing, and you can take a look of all the economical events that is going to be happening throughout the week. You can see from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all the week. I do this at the very beginning of each week and each day and identify during my trading sessions which of the trading pairs are going to be affected, and before I jump in any trade, just to make sure, I go over here and I take a look and I say, hey, is there any higher medium impact news that is going to be affecting my asset? And if I say no, then I am like, all right, I'm good to go. I'm able to go through. Now, all the four tools are great tools that can help you to get consistent within your approach, your trading plan, your trading journey. You can go through and use some like Manara to be able to just bring attention to different trading opportunities that you normally wouldn't see it unless you were sitting there and analyzing the charts. You can use something like TradingView to go through and filter out that trade. You can make sure you use Forex Factory to be able to go through and understand if you have any economical events that would impact your position. And then once you have everything good to go, jump on over to MT4 and be able to place your trade. Now, if you are wanting to get access to Manara, that is a proprietary scanner, to be able to use, if somebody has sent you this video, by all means, make sure you get back to them so you can get access to your software. If you randomly stumbled upon this, I will go ahead and leave my link pinned down in the description. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook. These are the four tools that I use every day. Hopefully, they are able to help you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. See you guys in the next video. Bye!